Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a void check like this from CIBC. So whether you are using their website, online banking, or the app, let me show you the steps. So first, open your browser and go to CIBC.com and then log in with your ID and password. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to manage my account and select view check or direct deposit info. So and after that, a preview of your word check will appear showing your account and information. So this will look like this. This is what a word check looks like. And you can, if you are in the website, I mean on the app, you can just select view check and then select open PDF, then to print or save the form, then sign it and submit it to the company that requested the information. So this is the steps from the app. If you're online, the same steps will follow, but this time you'll have to click manage my account, and then on the drop down you'll find this view check or deposit info. On the app, you'll just find the view check option directly. And if you're on the website, you can just download this form, fill it out, then save the form, and then sign it. Then you'll have to deposit to the company, like send the form, the printed version to the bank. That's kind of lengthy process. I'll recommend you use either the online banking or the app to get a void check like this. The printout will work just as fine. So no need to like should deposit a real check and write void all over on your check. So that's all there is to it. And I hope this worked for you. And that is how you can get a void check from CIBC using online banking or the mobile app. It's quick and easy, and also in the next video.